IIT Kanpur is one of the most prominent engineering institutes in India. It belongs to the league of prestigious IITs like IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, and IIT Kharagpur. IIT Kanpur is the first generation of IITs established in India. IIT Kanpur is placed at 264th by the QS World University Rankings 2023. The institute has also been ranked in India at number 4 by NIRF for the year 2023 in the engineering category. It has consistently been among the top 5 in NIRF's rankings. IIT Kanpur has also been ranked for management category by NIRF 2023 with 23rd rank. IIT Kanpur is a public engineering and research institute in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh which became operational in 1959. IIT Kanpur offers 17 academic programs and 6 interdisciplinary programs. The courses offered at IIT Kanpur are BTech, BSc, MTech, MSc, MBA, PhD. Admissions are done on the basis of merit or entrance tests like JEE Advanced, GATE, CAT, IIT JAM, SEED, and NET. According to media reports, a total of 989 offers were made during IIT Kanpur Phase 1 Placements 2023-24. Further, 21 students received international offers during IIT Kanpur Placements 2024. The top recruiters on day 1 included Microsoft, Texas Instruments, Deutsche Bank, Navi and Qualcomm. In total, 428 students have secured top positions through pre-placements and campus placements. The The average package offered during IIT Kanpur placements 2023-24 stood at 26 LPA.